Hey everybody, I'm back with my Winter Wonderland tab bound tag journal. I didn't get to finish on camera due to a myriad of reasons, but I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an overview. We have a bunch of tags, 10 tags that are 4 inches wide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inches tall-ish. Each tag has a little tab punch on the top. And this is the front. This is from the Winter Wonderland kit, My Porch by My Porch Prints. And then I'm just going to give you a quick overview, just a little flippy through here. I've got a whole bunch of the ephemera pieces that come with the kit, which there were a lot of. She gives you an amazing amount of ephemera to use. And then here's a belly band with a tag, and then I just have a piece of paper in there for more journaling space because of this being only 10 pages, 10 tags. I wanted to have some more places to journal. There's more ephemera pieces that go with it. Here's some. There's another stack somewhere around here. I don't know what I did with them offhand. I was trying to get this cleaned up. But anyway, these were stickers, epoxy stickers from the Dollar Tree that I got maybe 3 years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. And then there's a little tiny envelope in here, or this is a tiny envelope, and you can put whatever you want in there. These are just flip outs. And then here's another flip with another piece of epoxy sticker and a little stamped Christmas tree. And then I just stamped the background tag and put a piece of definition page from a dictionary in there. And there's some more space for journaling. I just folded it up to make it kind of look like an envelope. And I stamped this Winter Wonderland stamp here. It just seemed to go so well with that image. There's a ornament hanging. There's plenty of room to journal on this guest check, and there's more over here on this guest check. And then here's more tags to write on. And then more of those teeny tiny envelopes that she gives you. I just stamped on them with some stamps. And then this one, of course, came that way, so that it would have a little something on the front. That noise you hear going on in the background is my heater. I am in my basement, craft room, office area, and it is cold. It says it's 36 degrees outside. My body is not used to these winter temperatures yet. Oh, here's the rest of all those tags and stuff. I plan on gifting this journal, so there's lots of journaling space for this one. And then here's some vellum and some music sheet paper, and some more of that kind of stuff. And then this is actually a little mini notebook, and has some writing space in it. And then here's a library card turned tuck spot / pocket. Actually, I think I put this in upside down. I did. This is a piece of, or a page of one of those books. I think I showed you guys before. It's from 1961. It's a train conductor's timesheet essentially. Anyway, when you fold it over like this, there's still all that area there. And then here are a couple of tags. I have a stamped piece of fabric that says Noel. I just used a bulb pin to attach it. And here's Santa Claus with his pack. And some more Santas. And then some more of that train conductor paper. And then more epoxy stickers. And again, it's just a piece of paper I've folded up to look like an envelope. And I have that in there to tuck. And there's a tuck spot behind here. And I have the Christmas foxes and the tags that say, or a tag that says Merry Christmas. Some more stamped fabric. This is a tuck spot from some of the ephemera with a fox library card from the kit, and of course some more paper. Gotta have enough room to write. This is a Christmas journal. Alright, and then no, my fat fingers aren't gonna be able to get this out now, are they? Alright. Then there's these two Christmas cards that are in here. I guess if I would have left it like this, it would have been much easier to get out. But you can leave it however you want it, you know, when you do something like this. The recipient can. I used some of the stamping, the faux sewing. I just didn't feel like getting my sewing machine out this go around. I have some collaging here, and then down here's the definition of a snowflake and a snowman that I pulled out of a dictionary, and then a snowflake stamp, and then this is a couple of snowflake stickers stuck on a hidden paper clip, and that is holding in this little bunch of goodies, and it has snowplow, snowshoe, snowstorm, and snowy definitions. And then that just holds that on there. And then here is another tag turned pocket with a piece of fabric that has some snowflakes stamped on it. Oops. I'm not closing all my flaps here. And then on the back is a pocket with some more journaling space. So, and yeah, I'm not really sure how I feel about this journal, as far as it did not turn out how I wanted it. I'm not saying that I don't like it or I think that it's subpar or anything. It's just, I don't know. You ever try something and the first time you tried it, it left you thinking, yeah, not my favorite. I mean, I love the flip-flop journals and stuff. It's just, I could probably do it differently. I just need to sit down and think it out a little more. I've only had like 2 days to work on this. So, it is what it is. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If there's any other types of journals that you would like for me to check out and see maybe if I would like to make that type, let me know in the comments below. I hope this was in frame, because if not, I'm going to be really disappointed. Anyway, you folks have a great Thanksgiving. I don't know if I will have a journal up for next Sunday, because Thanksgiving falls on Thursday, and I only have Thursday and Friday off this year. So, and I have Thanksgiving plans both days. So, yeah, there probably won't be a lot of time spent making because of it. Anyway, you all have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.